How to fix router login.net not working. 1. Restart the router and your computer system. 2. Use a different connection mode, if you can. 3. Use the router's IP address to open management console. Hint, check default gateway value. It be 192.168.0.1 or 10.0.0.1. 4. Clear the browsers. Cache. 5. Try another. Supported, browser or, use Internet Explorer mode of MSH. 6. Try another device. Of a different OS. 7. Uninstall your antivirus application. 8. Reset the router. To factory defaults. Then, try accessing routerlogin.net later. Notes. 1. Choose yes on the Genie page. 2. Select let you choose and then select your own router model. Refer to the IMG below. 3. Choose, how to turn off the Wi-Fi. 4. You better restart your router when you get the resetting done.